the singers playing, how we cheered for more. Crowded rush together, trying to keep warm. Still the rain kept pouring, falling on my ears. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? Well, this town has closed down way too early, and there's nothing to do. So I'm driving around in circles, and I'm thinking about you. Today I heard you got a new last name. Sure didn't know it was gonna hit me this way. And the radio just keeps on playing all these songs about rain. Georgia, Kentucky rain. Now there's all kind of songs about babies and love that goes right. But for some unknown reason, nobody wants to play them tonight. Hey, I hope it's sunny wherever you are. That's sure not the picture tonight in my car. And it sure ain't easing my pain. All these songs like Rainy Night in Georgia and Kentucky rain. But here comes that rainy day feeling again. Blue eyes crying in the early morning rain. They go on, and there's no two the same. Oh, it would be easy to blame all these songs about rain. Well, I thought I was over you, but I guess maybe I'm not. 'Cause when I let you go, looks like lonely is all that I got. Guess I'll never know what could have been. Sure ain't helping this mood that I'm in. If they're gonna keep on playing these songs like Rainy Night in Georgia and Kentucky rain, here comes that rainy day feeling again. With blue eyes crying in the early morning rain. They go on and on, there's no two the same. Oh, how I wish I could blame all these songs about rain. Georgia, Kentucky rain. Here comes that rainy day feeling. All these songs about rain.
fire up on the hill, sat in the woods and drank my fill. Talked to God all night, took another shot and set me right. Then I walked down to the road, filled a beer can full of 22 holes, and I said goodbye. Yeah, I said goodbye. I go back, but I can't go home. The river is up and the road is closed, and there ain't no telephone at my mother's house, and all the lights are out down on the rural. Ain't much or nothing left of this place where I became myself, a ghost of memory. I walk on by, but they follow me. I see Penny on down the road, asking me if he's seen my brother. He just said no. Well, guess I better go. I go back, but I can't go home. The river is up and the road is closed, and there ain't no telephone at my mother's house, and all the lights are out down on the rural. I built a fire up on the hill, I sat in the woods and drank my fill. Talked to God all night, took another shot and set me right. Then I just walked away. Ain't nothing here I